Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from theseedsoflife.com. And I think this is episode 26, so we are moving along. I might do something special for the 30th episode. I'm not sure. Maybe make an extended video. Who knows when we get to that point. Right now, I'm just focused on taking this specific action and delivering a message to you, the viewer. So currently today, I wasn't able to get as much done, although I did have my training sessions earlier in the morning, but I had to run back because August has an ear infection. So didn't get to do as much as I would like today. Worked mostly from home. Was also able to have a meeting with an awesome trainer, that we wanted to collaborate in the past, but now she has more freedom too, so we might be working on a little bit more future projects coming along. So a lot of things are like shaping up. One thing I do want to address today is the taking action, right? Like I speak of it a ton, and the reason why is because the value that you offer comes from the actions that you take. So the more action that you are taking, the more value that you're giving to your audience, to yourself. So, start the challenge. We're currently starting a 30-day or however long we gradually progress it to a Move More challenge. So you'll be seeing me posting some workouts and my trainer friends and my clients doing movements. So if there's something that you don't know or want to know more of, just let me know in the comments and then we'll address it in future videos. So for now, if you're just watching, instead of just consuming the content, just take the content in and put the work in as well. So right now we're in the movement challenge. So like I said, posting these videos and workouts, don't just watch the workouts, engage with it, and then come back to the comment section and be like, yeah, I did it and I got it done. What's next? And I'll be like more incentivized to produce more and more of this specific content. Whatever you ask, it shall be given through the content. All right. So, don't wait for, that aha moment. Take that action and that aha moment is going to come. Just wanted to leave this quick message out there as per usual. And yeah, hit me up in the comments, like this video, share it, and holla.